Hello, turkey. Turkey, 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 turkey. Hello. What you doing, turkey? What's a turkey? What's a turkey, turkey, turkey? What? Are you a good turkey bird? Are you a good bird?
Hi, my name is Art, and my wife and I are the co-founders of Alabama Parrot Rescue here in Birmingham, and we are at Parrots in the Park in Avondale Park. This is our second meeting. We meet once a month on a Sunday, and it's a social gathering of all of our parrot friends and their birds. Well, Alabama Parrot Rescue was founded because there was a need for these birds to find a way to find a better home. Almost all of the birds here today have been rescued from places that just couldn't take care of them anymore, and rather than being locked in a cage, we find loving homes for all of these birds.
Okay. Oh, there you go. He whines a lot too.
Tell me what it is.
He's a blue-fronted Amazon.
Okay. How long have you had?
He's not mine. I kind of play with him when I go to their house to do the
That's
thing.
cool. Just brought him out to the thing today, huh?
Look at you. Good boy. Good boy. Pretty bird. Yes. Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
Just a big bird? Just a big bird.
Yes.
There you go.
Pretty bird.
Big bird.
That's a boy. Hello.
Get a kiss.
In the middle with the green.
I know.
Cage after cage lined up in nice neat rows. No trays in the bottom, just the wire racks, and they put the whole thing down. And I'm like, oh man. He said that bird's not going anywhere. It's coming in the house. Yeah. Hello, baby.
Thank you.
Hello. How are you?
Yeah, he's gonna clean.
Oh, he's clear. What you doing? He's a good talker.
I just have to ask, what are y'all doing?
Just big bird. Just big bird. Let me see your wings.
This is birds. So once Art gets that over here, then I'll go back and I'll get my car and my other signs. Who stepped up?
Yes, I hear you. Are you grumbling? Crazy bird. Woo! Crazy bird.
You like it?
You are a sweet girl.
Oh, she is a sweet, sweet girl.
Crazy bird.
And you adopted her.
Mine did really good. He only had one spot. He had like one little spot on his leg.